My name is Claire Bonadio. I am studying manufacturing and design engineering, and I'm from Washington, D.C. / like Northern Virginia area. I was never really that into engineering and didn't really know what I wanted to do in college, and I went to like a camp where we basically lived on a college campus for 2 weeks and did a design engineering project. And I ended up really enjoying that project and like enjoying kind of the problem solving aspects of engineering. So when I started applying for colleges, I figured engineering would be a good thing to go into. And now I'm at Northwestern, and my major is kind of very similar to that, where we're given a project, like a problem, and then we figure out a way to solve that problem. So that's what I like about engineering and what I'm like doing in engineering. I was basically just kind of looking for somewhere to do an internship for this summer because I want experience like in the industry / like in a type of job that I could be doing when I graduate from college. So I kind of just looked on like job search sites like Handshake and found this and applied. And through like the interview process, I learned a lot more about it. And so just the idea of like working with robots sounded really cool to me. So when I got offered the job, I was like, great, I'm gonna do it. But I didn't really know much going into like applying and stuff. I really like it here. I don't know, the environment is good. I like working with the robots, and the training was pretty easy to follow. Like, it's not too complicated with how it's laid out. And so it's a lot of like logic-based kind of stuff. So I like working with the robots, and it's like really satisfying seeing them move stuff around. It's just fun to program them and then see them actually like able to do stuff like draw a picture. I think I'm just looking forward to kind of like programming the robot to be able to play different games and stuff like that. And like, I think being able to play a game against a robot that I programmed like would be really cool. I mean, when I graduate from college, I'm hoping to just do some kind of job where I'm able to like design stuff or like work with something to kind of like solve problems for people. Part of why I'm doing an internship is so I can kind of learn more about what I want to do in the future, because I don't know for sure. So this is like, you know, doing this internship, I can say, well, I liked this in this internship, or I didn't like this, or maybe I liked all of it, and then I could say, hey, maybe I want to work here in the future. I didn't have any like hands-on experience with any kind of industrial robotics. I've like done industrial engineering classes and kind of learned about like systems and stuff like that, but not a lot of like actual manufacturing or industrial stuff, just kind of like briefly talking about it in classes. My favorite thing about engineering is just kind of getting to have a problem and then come up with like a creative solution that's like effective and works well, and then being able to like give that to someone and they can kind of have it solve whatever problem they had. And like, I just really like problem solving and fixing things.